I'm about to make some chocolate cake wine. Y'all about to get this cake. All right, you want to get some water in a pot? Put your chocolate mix in there. Some chocolate cake mix right here. Then you want to put a pound of sugar. It's 2 1/4 cups. You want to stir that up. Stir that in good. Looks like you're making hot cocoa. Actually, we should do hot cocoa wine too. Now, when we're brewing this, it's going to be a lot of sludge. And I don't even know if this is going to work yet, because we haven't tried this yet. But we're going to find out. Even if it fails, I'm still going to post a video, so I guess if you're watching, you know. I'm going to break all that flour up. If it gets good and hot, that sugar gets good and dissolved in there. You want to turn your heat off and let it cool down. We're going to move this to our water bottle. Make sure you pour out most of your water so this will fit inside. I'm hoping this don't turn into a chocolate bread because all the flour in it. It's got me a little worried. Hopefully it thins up and turns into wine. We'll see. It's an experiment. Fuck, it's stuck to the table. All right, we're not even going to pitch yeast for this because it's 97 degrees. It's perfect. We're going to pitch right in here. We're going to use EC 1118. You need your brew to be between 95 and 98.6. We normally pitch our yeast in a cup of warm water. We're just going to shake this up like a Polaroid picture. You know what to do. Shake it like a monkey trying to fucking football. Fuck that football gorilla. Gorilla great. Put your airlock on it. Wait 2 weeks. Hopefully we got wine instead of bread. Gonna put some water in this airlock.
Man, wine bread wouldn't be too bad. Some alcoholic sourdough.
Boom.
See you in 2 weeks.
All right, it's our chocolate cake. We're gonna try and move it to a secondary.
That shit look like poop soup.
Poop soup. You gotta put your secondary lower. We're gonna try it with a siphon. Hopefully it don't clog it up with all that flour.
I'm sure it will.
But if it does, we'll run it through cheesecloth.
You ready?
Smells like chocolate cake and wine.
It's milky like the Captain Crunch.
Chalky milks, boy, chalky milks.
All right, we'll come back to you once we get her moved.
So it looks like some dookie sludge. That's all the flour and shit.
That reminds me of when you played Poo Dollar.
So
If you don't know what Poo Dollar is, you need to look that shit up.
this is some good old enema tea right here.
Yeah, it is. Does it smell like cake?
And it smells like chocolate and wine. We're gonna do a Yoo-hoo wine too. Fuck it. I want to do a Yoo-hoo. I don't even like Yoo-hoo, but I know a lot of people do. And they don't use milk to make it, so it'd be perfect for a wine.
Yeah, it's just water and chocolate powder
Yeah.
and a shit ton of preservatives.
Yeah, that's definitely got alcohol in it. You could smell it. I'm gonna cold crash it at this point because I want all them solids to drop. So I'm gonna put this in my refrigerator for a few days. We'll see if we can't get a little less. It's thicker than a motherfucker.
Thicker than a Snicker.
It's thicker than your mama's booty.
No, that looks bad. That literally looks like somebody shit in a bottle.
It don't stink though. That's chocolate.
Get you a drink of this.
All right. This is our chocolate cake wine.
Poop soup.
Poop soup. We moved it to the refrigerator for about 4 days. So, and it's really thick. So I think we're gonna have to move it one more time at least before we bottle it.
Maybe 2.
And I'm gonna run it through 4 layers of cheesecloth. If you're gonna make wine, you might want to get some of this just in case you ever need it. It's really cheap. We're gonna use a siphon.
We're gonna use a siphon with pour.
Horn.
Yeah, it's
Don't
pour.
want to suck it through, and it'd be double. It'd work
Oh,
double.
I guess we can.
Yeah, let's use a siphon. The screen on the siphon's also gonna. We'll come back to you after we got it moved. All right, we moved it through 4 layers of cheesecloth. It's still a little thick. I like to chew my wine anyways. We're gonna move it and bottle it. Later on, if it thins out, separates, we'll rebottle. Fuck it. Use this siphon and put it in these bottles. Yoo-hoo, boy. Chocolate cakes.
If this sucks, we are going to try Yoo-hoo.
Got a bottle and a half of chocolate cake. I'm about to try it, let you know what's up.
All right, about to try this poop soup.
It was thick. So thick you gotta chew it. I knew that flour would be a issue. It tastes fruity, dude.
Yeah, it does.
It tastes more fruity than it does chocolate.
There's the chocolate. It comes in real late. I get the chocolate real late. It looks like a Yoo-hoo. I
It's
mean,
definitely odd.
it
It's
is.
definitely different.
I mean, we made it happen.
It's still a little sweet.
Yeah, it is sweet. That's wild. Like, sweet like fruit. Not even so much.
Yeah.
Not like sugar sweet. Like,
I don't know. I could drink it.
yeah,
It's not the greatest one I ever had.
ain't the worst one either.
Yeah, definitely ain't the worst. We'll try some Yoo-hoo or something soon too.
Yeah, something a little thinner.
Or some cocoa powder. We'll make some sort of where the chocolate comes through more.
This might have worked better in a bigger batch where it was more water, which would
Plus
have
all
thinned
that,
it out.
all that flour makes an issue.
Yeah, it
man.
does.
It's fucking hard to get through.
It was worth a shot though.
Either way, fuck your mama, bitch.